This image was captured in 1949 by a U.S. reconnaissance plane and immediately classified. Why? Because beneath the ice of Turkey's highest peak, something that looked unmistakably like a ship had been revealed. At the height of the Cold War, one of the most secretive investigations began not over missiles, but over a biblical mystery. Today, using declassified archives, peer-reviewed geology, and high-resolution satellite data, we re-examine the Ararat Anomaly. In 1959, Turkish cartographer Captain İlhan Durupınar spotted this formation during a NATO mapping mission. He insisted it wasn't natural, but official institutions stayed silent. Was this Noah's Ark or something else entirely? In the 1980s, amateur researchers Ron Wyatt and David Fassold brought ground-penetrating radar to the site. They reported a 164-meter structure matching the Ark's dimensions in Genesis line with regularly spaced metallic anomalies. Nearby, massive drogue stones with rope holes suggested ancient maritime use. Coincidence or evidence? But peer-reviewed science tells a different story. Those metallic ribs? Iron-rich limonite in folded sedimentary layers. The drogue stones? Volcanic andesite native to Ararat itself. And satellite imagery from NASA and IKONOS confirms the formation is a glacial fissure. Full source documents, raw satellite data, and geological reports are available in the Parchment Vault link in description. This map you see, declassified in 1999, this satellite image, captured in 2000. But here's the real question. If it's not a ship, why do local legends, ancient texts, and decades of expeditions all point to this exact spot? Science doesn't deny a great flood, it just dates it correctly. Evidence points to a global climatic catastrophe around 12,000 years ago. Göbekli Tepe was built right after. So perhaps this isn't about Noah's Ark, but about humanity's shared memory of a real cataclysm distorted over millennia into myth. Wait, what? Is this a ship or nature's illusion? Comment below. Which theory makes more sense to you? And if you want to dive deeper into the raw data, join the Parchment Vault, our free research hub with declassified files and peer-reviewed analyses. Searching for Ararat Anomaly, Noah's Ark found, or CI, a declassified documents. You're in the right place. At Parchment, we don't just ask what happened, we trace how we know and why it was hidden. For 9 minutes, we've followed the trail from spy planes to peer-reviewed journals. The verdict? Scientifically, it's not a ship, but historically? This search led to real archaeological discoveries, revived regional interest, and reminded us, sometimes the greatest truths emerge not from finding the artifact, but from asking the question. If you believe history hides in plain sight, subscribe, hit the bell, and join the Parchment Vault, because the truth isn't just buried, it's waiting for those who dare to dig.